this is a little walkthrough of the lovely 8x7 album that Jayne did, and it's of Willow, their new dog, who is a cross between a Shih Tzu and a poodle, but it's called a
Shit-a-poodle?
It's not called a shit poo. It's a shipper poo, something like that. So.
Well, it's not a cat anyway.
But anyway, put it this way, we couldn't say it on her chanda. Yeah, and it's not a cat. Okay, so we're just going to open up here. She's done a nice little tab closure there, and then we're just going down. She's used the photo frames here, and she's actually cut this one out. And then there's a beautiful little picture of Willow there, tiny. I bet she's bigger now. And then lots of little tiny pictures here. Inside here she's got, I'll do the next one. Okay, so here she's used our large walrus flip flap, and she's made it into a nice dimensional pocket. She's actually cut the flap and then she's cut it in half, folded it in half, so you've got a dimension there. That's one of our older dies, our Mexican belly bands. There's another little picture just in there. These are designed to pull out here, and those are using our stitched paged tabs. And we come on here. Oh, she's used everything, hasn't she? So these are the Mandarin whisker dies that she's used here with our ring reinforcer dies. Little tallies there. And then here, these are some of the new mini flip flaps, the mini Mandarin flip flaps, and they just open out. They cut directly into the paper, and then you've got a mat that's slightly smaller. And opening and closing these are our swivel dies, which go with the dumbbell die set. First in our Clever Closure range. Next one here, she's used that's a debossed page tab, a square one, and then she's used our mini Mexican whiskers to make a little waterfall card here. In fact, she's put loads on here, hasn't she?
That's the brothers and sisters.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Ah, oh, right, gosh, they're really different colours, aren't they? They're very sweet. But I have to say, Kay, I think our cats are probably bigger than
Yeah, I think
bigger than that.
Cats are.
Okay, and then here she's used the dumbbell die as a magnetic closure, and she's used Architape, I can feel there. So this opens out, and you've got one of the curved photo slots there. And then here, oh, this is using our pierced curved pocket slots, so they're designed again to cut into the paper, provide little tuck-in spots. Here she's used the mini Mandarin, and she's cut the fold bit off, and she's used the mat to make little pockets here. And then in here, got a trifold, and she's got a picture in there. Here she's got the larger Mandarin flip flap, and inside you've got the 2x3 curved photo slot, and then at the back she's done a couple more tuck-ins here. And this Architape is actually lined with this album is actually lined with red Architape. And that's it.
It's a lovely album, isn't it?
It's lovely. Thank you, Jayne.